Hi everyone, welcome back. I wanted to share my oats lotion for dry flaky skin. This lotion is lightweight, is filled with so many moisturizing ingredients, is perfect for problem skin. It's really perfect for all skin types, but especially dry flaky skin. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. As always, everything I used for this recipe will be in the description box. I'll also list the websites where I purchased from as well as the links. I'm going to start out by weighing all my water-based ingredients. So now that I have all my water-based ingredients, I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to add my oil-based ingredients next. For the neem oil, it has a very strong smell, so you might want to use an essential oil or fragrance oil to mask the smell. So now that my oil ingredients are ready and also my water-based ingredients, I'm going to add one more ingredient. I'm going to use colloidal oats. That's the main ingredient for this lotion. So I'm just going to add that to the water ingredients, mix well. I'm going to heat up both jars on my stovetop on low to medium heat until the butters and waxes completely melts down. You want to have about the same temperature for both jars. So in all, it took me about 20 minutes. Once heated up, I use my temperature gun to check the reading. I usually aim for a temperature range of 158 to 163 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to use my stick blender as well. So now I'm going to combine the water-based ingredients to the oil ingredients. And that's the best part of making lotion, combining both ingredients together. So now I'm going to use my stick blender and just mix till it's well combined. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. I also wanted to mention that my next making skincare products class is August 22nd. It's a 2.5-hour class offered through Zoom. If you are interested, the registration link is in the description box if you want to check that out as well. After mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, this is what my consistency looked like. It is very runny, which is fine. The goal of using your stick blender is to combine the oils and liquids together so that way there's no separation. So my mixture was still rather hot. I checked my temperature, so I just set it aside to cool off for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now that my mixture is much cooler, I'm going to add my heat sensitive ingredients. So ingredients like extracts, essential oils, vitamin E oil, you want to add to your mixture when it has cooled down. So that's what I'm going to do next. The lotion is going to continue to thicken up in the next hour or so, but this is what I have so far, and I'm going to add my preservative next. I'm using Optifen as my preservative. You can use any preservative of your choice. I'll leave a link to my preservatives video if you're looking for suggestions about preservatives. So just mix everything well, and I also used my stick blender to give everything a final mix. I'm going to package up my lotion. I'm going to transfer this into my bottles before it thickens up too much. It's so much easier to transfer the mixture now that it's still on the runny side. So this batch made 16 ounces of product. The oats lotion is ready, and you want to make sure that your lotion has completely cooled down before you cover it with the lids. So if you look at this small sample of lotion, you'll notice that it has thickened up rather nicely. It doesn't take very long to thicken up. So this is what the consistency is looking like, and it's still going to continue to get thicker as time goes on. But I'm going to show you how it applies on the skin. It is very, very moisturizing and soothing if you have dry, flaky skin. This is a great recipe to try out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. I hope you found this recipe helpful. I hope you found this video useful, and let me know if you have any questions about this recipe. You can reach out to me in the comments with any questions you have, and please don't forget to subscribe and also turn on your bell notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. Thanks so much for your support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.